What's up everyone, today I have a $200 build for you guys that on paper seems to have some pretty insane price to performance. First on the table I guess we've got a GTX 1050. I picked that up for about 70 bucks Australian, and we also have an i5 2nd gen that we got for around 20 Australian. And we were going to put 16 gigs of RAM in this bad boy, but yeah, one of the slots on the motherboard appears to be broken, so I guess F's in the chat for the motherboard. But moving on, we'll also be chucking in a good old SSD for that extra little bit of snappiness, and a used WD hard drive, which I actually got for free along with a little 235 watt power supply from this absolute mad lad. Go check him out, he has some pretty entertaining streams sometimes. And last but not least, we have the Armageddon Nimbus N5, which I did a review on the channel of it. Yeah, you should go check that out, links in the description. And with that out of the way, let's get to putting this PC together. Alrighty, so from all that we can definitely see that the CPU is showing its age in Cinebench, where it only just managed to pull off 300 points. As for the 1050 though, that thing is still pulling out 60 FPS in the superposition benchmark. If it could pull that off in Cinebench, then I'd say it could definitely still run any modern title, especially esports titles, at a good 60 to 100 FPS around low to medium graphics. Now, there was one more thing that I was a bit worried about, that being the little 230 watt power supply. That thing is as light as a feather and only has one 24-pin and one 4-pin CPU power connector, so I really wasn't expecting a whole lot for it, but it looks to have pulled through on either 64 and a superposition stress test without blowing up, so that seems like a victory for that one. But anyway, that pretty much does it for this video. I have a Discord server that you should totally join if you want to get more involved with the channel. And if you guys like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. But with that all over, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.